Solving multiple area problems. Many area problems contain various geometrical shapes. In order to solve these problems, the shapes need to be isolated and the area of each found separately. When the area of each shape is found, the areas are then added together to solve the problem. We're going to find the area of the room that is shown. The first thing we're going to do is isolate this room into two separate areas or two separate regions. We're going to draw a line across here. The top area is 24 feet long and 10 feet wide. The entire line, or the entire side, is 28 feet. This side of this rectangle is 10 feet. If we subtract 28 minus 10, we will get this side, which is 18 feet. So in order to find the area of this particular figure, we find the area, 1, by using the formula. A is equal to L times W. A is equal to 24 times 10. A is equal to 240 feet squared. Now we have to find the area of region 2. The area 2, using the same formula, A is equal to L times W. A is equal to 14 times 18. A is equal to 14 times 18. (252 square feet). Now, in order to find the total area of this particular figure, we must add area 1 plus area 2. Area 1 is 240 feet squared. Area 2 is 252 feet squared. We add these, we get 492 feet squared. Therefore, the area of this entire room is 492 feet squared.
This shelf has two sizes of India tile, copper slate. One tile measures 12 inches by 12 inch square, and the gauge or the thickness is 10 millimeter plus or minus 1.5 millimeter. It costs $3.70 each. The other tile measures 16 inches by 16 inches, and the thickness is 12 millimeter plus or minus 1.5 millimeter. If you want to tile a room measuring 10 feet by 15 feet, what is the difference in cost between the two tiles? Let's do the math. But before we do the math, I want you to notice that one is 10 millimeter thick and the other one is 12 millimeters. And there's a number that we can use to convert millimeter into inches, and that is 10 divided by 25.4 equals. And that's this number, and remember this, 25.4. So this 10 millimeter equals 0.393. And 3/8 of an inch is 0.375. So it gives you a little idea. It's just a little bit over 3/8 of an inch thick. And if you want to know what the gauge thickness is, the tolerance, it's plus or minus 1.5 millimeter. And let's put that one in. 1.5 times 25.4 equals, so that's just about, as you can see, 59,000, about a 16th of an inch difference in thickness. This year, that sells for $3.70 each. Let's find the thickness of the 12 millimeter. So 12 millimeter divided by 25.4 equals 472. and that's a little under a ½ inch. ½ inch is 0.500, or it's actually closer to, it's about 30 seconds under that, and at 6, that'll be 15, 30 seconds. And actually, that would be about 15, 30 seconds. But you can round it up to about a ½ inch, a little thinner than a ½ inch, about 30 seconds thinner than a ½ inch. So it gives you a little idea of the thickness between the two tiles. Now we want to see how much would it cost us to tile a room that is area equals length times width. Area equals, the length is 15 feet times 10. Area equals 150 square feet. Now this measures 12 inches square. So that's actually 1 square foot. This is 1 foot by 1 foot. So all we have to do then is multiply $3.70 by 150 square feet. And that will give us the cost for that room. 150 times $3.70 equals $555. So this room will cost $555. Now let's go by this room. Now since this is in inches, square inches, let's multiply 16 times 16 equals, so one tile is 256 square inches. And we'll put that into memory. Now we're going to convert this room into square inches. So 150 square feet, and there's 144 square inches in 1 square foot. So all we have to do is multiply 150 times 144 equals, so it's 21,600. So area equals 21,600 square inches. So we divide that by memory, divided by memory recall, 256 equals, so it's 84.375 or 85. We'll round it up to 85, so you need 85 tile. So let's clear that. 85 times $5.39 equals, so that will cost you for this room, that will cost you $458.15. And so you could see, looking at the cost between the two rooms, this tile is thinner, this is thicker, and you save roughly about $100 by going with the thicker gauge tile, but it's a little larger square. So this is how you can save money when you go shopping. You do your math beforehand, and you can use your math skills and put some extra money into your pocket.